How to turn on and off sleep mode on Windows 11. To turn on or off sleep mode on your Windows 11 computer, click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and select Settings. Then click on System. Select Power from the left-hand menu. In the power settings, you'll see an option called Screen and Sleep. Click on this option to expand the settings. Then click on the box of Put my device to sleep after option. To turn on sleep mode, select a time period from the drop-down menu. To turn off sleep mode, select Never from the drop-down menu. By using the sleep mode, you can conserve energy and extend the life of your computer's battery. And that's how you can turn on and off sleep mode on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching.